So we upgraded our dehydrator last year to this Cosori stainless steel tray model, and we've never been happier. Here's what it looked like out of the box. We upgraded specifically to get away from plastic trays, and because the fan was located in the back of it rather than on the bottom, and that gives you a more even dry without tray rotation. I'll share some of the snacks we've made with it, starting with these dehydrated pears. Dehydrated pears are my favorite because of the chewy texture and they taste just like candy. Honestly, they're the best. We also do a ton of apple chips. The kids love them in their school lunches, but they would say that their favorite's probably the fruit leather we do. Here we are making plum fruit leather, and we also have some apple fruit leather here as well. Over this winter, the dehydrator has been working non-stop making beef jerky, and this works really well for that. We also do peach chips and dehydrated tomatoes, which if you have never tried, we highly recommend. Here's the finished fruit leather. Oh, and our tomatoes and pear chips. And here's some beef jerky we made. We give this dehydrator a super high rating, and we use it so often that it stays on our counter all the time and it never gets put away. We hope you liked our review. Thanks so much.